So today I'm on my way to go pick up a car from the island. We actually stayed the night in Victoria because you have to take an hour and a half ferry to get over to the island. And you know me, I can never pass up a 79 Monte Carlo. But we gotta make a pit stop, and guess where we are? So we just pulled out to the homies from Laid Out CC. They let me park my trailer here last night, so shout out to them. That's dope. We're grabbing it now, and then we got to rip to Parksville. So it's going to be a bit, but yeah, like an hour and 40-minute haul. And then we got to get this thing loaded, and I have no idea if we have the winch remote. So let's find out. And now we go get a Monte Carlo.
2 hours later, this is Parksville. Look at how pretty it is and that view.
All right, so we just made it to my buddy's restoration shop, and this is my new car. Look at that beauty right there. Little 79 MC, his Impala collection out back.
And with 15 minutes to spare, I think it's time to let the boys handle this one so I can check out the little Monty. Keep in mind I bought this car sight unseen and it has a porno red interior. My favorite color upholstery in the 80s is definitely this one here. Alright, so we're pushing through. We do have a reservation, but it looks like we're going to be about 5 minutes late. Let's see what happens.
So here's the situation. We missed the ferry, so now we're on the 545, and this is the 79, so let's check it out. The frame actually looks really solid in it, and the floors look really good. Let's see what's going on inside. Bucket seat, console car, dry chalky interior, nice rear seat, power window car, rally dash, I should say. I don't know, it ain't that bad. Let's see what's in the truck. And this car runs and drives.
You already know that I saved the what's in the trunk for another video, so I'm just going to be over here watching the sun go down because that's what I do.
Welcome to Duke Point. And here we are at hurry up and wait situation for those gates to open.
Alright, we're loaded. We gotta head upstairs. We've been chilling with Big Bertha 2022 in the house. So let's see what that's about.
So it is 7:30. We're about to dock right now, and then we get to drive out to the shop, which is like a minute away. And we're gonna unload, grab the shipments, and go back to town and have dinner at 10 o'clock.
What I can say about being first on the ferry was it's kind of dope to see the actual berth open and then you pull up to the dock and see like there's a whole team of people. I don't know, it's pretty cool. It was just a different experience actually being in front and center this time.
Let me out, let me out, I want out.
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little impatient tonight, and here we are on the road again. I just can't wait to get...
So okay. This is home, and this is Surrey.
So basically, we had to exit the freeway because of idiots like this and head back roads, which are pretty sketch into town.
Okay, so we made it back, and there's so much snow. It's fucking crazy. Check out my trailer. Look at the snow shit. Snow shit everywhere. Ugh. We're home.
As you can tell, I just love the snow. Not. And here we are. We got to pick up the shipments because they have to go tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Voila. Let's get loaded. A really long ass day, but a successful day because I do think this car is going to be a come up. I need to go feed my man and we're going to call it a night, get my ass home. There's a huge hailstorm on the number one, so the traffic is dead stop. Back roads, Cactus Club, and home. That's it. So, till next time.